When uppers and downers get done, I'm in a rush to be numb. Dropping 1,000 ain't much.
Boss tip on this Nissan Frontier seems a little excessive, don't you think? Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now, I am across the street from the farm show complex. The traffic was ridiculous getting here. I have to walk like a half a mile to get the show. There's so many people and there's like 2 lines going into the place, so this is gonna be awesome. So I'll see you in there. See ya. What's up everybody? So we're at Motorama. I'm here with Gregory Salvatore. So he has been essentially the architect for everything YouTube Pack involved. So how's it been setting up everything for our booth?
Everything's been going really well. The YouTube Pack is a group that really, it's just about helping each other grow. So when we did this booth, what I did is I went out and said, okay, well if we come out as a team, how much will it cost us? Well, it costs the members each, what, we spent like $25?
$22. I mean, relatively nothing for all the setup that we have here.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I'm a photographer, so the backdrop we had was already done. You know, I have it. I do have a 10x10 tent for when we do promotions outside. We're really just looking to help each other grow. We have like channels, so if you like GemmyD's content, then you'll probably like my content. You'll probably like everybody else's content. So we're just kind of checking each other out, growing together, but using our own niche and our own channel and how we designed each one. But it's all about by sharing the expenses of having an event like this, it really benefited out. And just my job as the marketing manager is just to find the opportunities.
Right.
For this event here, we were able to work it out. So basically these cars came in for next to nothing.
So Greg has his car here. Tell us a little bit about what you've done with your car for this show.
Okay, so I have a 2010 Camaro that I bought May of last year. So there's quite a bit of work done last year to it. Not a lot, but just some little things. The grill and the black here, you know, there's some little touches. But for this year, I added the Gregory Salvatore banner. I put my catchphrase of "Get Started Now" on the cowl there. I did a flame job on the side, and I did some blackouts to the back.
So do you still have the sequential taillights?
Yep, still have the sequential taillights. That was done in 2017. And then in this year, I plan to do, basically in 2017, I did the sequential taillights. I did the Phantom billet grill, the black that goes around the front grill, mud flaps on the back. And for the most part, that's really all I did in 2017. But for 2018, we have the vinyl. Yeah. I'm hoping to do something with a black wheel and raised white letter tires. And I'll give you guys a insight. My goal in 2018 is to make this car talk.
Ah, breaking news.
That's my goal. I already have the software figured out. It's just a matter of getting the hardware to actually be able to do it.
Yeah, so you could see that he's got like the subtle flames going on there, but I think it looks pretty good. Now, is there a chance that I might be able to do a review of your car?
Absolutely.
Okay. So
can you drive a real car?
Yes, not just these Japanese cars.
No, one that you have to shift the gears yourself.
Oh yes, I can drive stick.
You know what a stick shift is?
What?
The ultimate anti-theft device.
That is true. Yeah, I'm sure that I've seen stories where someone tried to steal a car and they couldn't because of the stick. So, check out Greg's channel. He's got some good stuff there. Well, I want to thank you for setting everything up, because for me paying $22 and having my name listed on these banners is pretty cool. So thank you.
Yeah, and in 2018, a lot of the YouTube Pack, we plan to go to car shows. And we've been meeting people with large car shows that want us to come out and promote their event. So if you have a car show and you want to find out more, go to youtubepack.com. We offer free listing on car shows, so we're trying to find all the car shows in the Northeast region. So that would be Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware, all the big events, even the small events, and then nationwide, the huge events. But we've talked to a few people today that would love to have us come out and do this same kind of thing at their event.
All right, so this is kind of the start. This is our first event together, and it could be the start of something, you know, as we grow bigger and faster together, you know, pooling our resources together, that this is just the start.
Yep,
right?
Absolutely.
So that was Motorama. That was the first event I've done with the YouTube pack. It was our inaugural event, I guess you could say. I just had to walk another half an hour. I'm freezing, can't feel my fingers. But that was a pretty cool event, lots of nice cars. It was good to finally see some people and meet them in person, the people that I've talked to online for months. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if this is the first time you're seeing my channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.